Hey everybody, K Toretto here. So for today's video, come with me as we celebrate, like, this is what they call like the night Eid na patan? So like there's gonna be like a celebration before the Eid. So tomorrow is the Eid day. And for today, we're gonna have like a very good dinner. So I'm gonna show you like what we're gonna be eating for tonight. And as you can see, hoy, nag-aayos ako. Sorry, hindi pa pantay yung makeup ko dahil, oh, puti pa, hindi pa siya pantay. Uy, hindi ko pa nalalagyan dito kasi minamadali na nila ako. Mag-eat na raw kami. So we're gonna eat and I'm gonna show you like how this night goes. They said that there's gonna be a party, a lot of things gonna happen with so there's gonna be like a lot of things that's gonna be happening tonight. Let's see, I'm so excited. But I don't know if there's really gonna be like same like the way that Filipinos celebrate. I'm really excited to see like how they celebrate this night. So let's do this.
Hi everybody.
Everybody. Hoy, tingnan mo. Look at our food for tonight. See, that's a lot. And we're only 3. I thought we were gonna be a lot.
11 o'clock again.
Hi.
After 2 hours.
Oh, this is Patano's friend. Hoy. And what?
After 3 hours again, we have party.
Yeah, so after 3 hours, there's gonna be another party. So I'm just gonna eat little lang for tonight. Because I know that we have to eat. I know they will force me to eat there. So I'll eat. Okay. Goat? Goat? Yeah, goat. Mutan karay. Matan karay. Dao. Good na bata, oh. Ganda ko, no? See? Ha? Yeah, come here. I-ano mo ako, i-greet mo ako dito. Hoy, Jenny's here, oh.
Hello.
Kaibigan ko yan sa Dubai. Pinagtsatsagaan ko, charos. Charos lang, tanong. Hoy, I didn't know, you know, that their Eid, they also have like papotok. Like, how do you call it? The one you throw and then with sound? How do you call it here? You put fire, you throw with sound, the boom.
Bomb?
Yeah.
No.
They have. I'm scared.
Small.
Yeah, I'm scared. That's why I'm here.
No.
Okay, so see, for today's video, you're gonna see like a lot of kids are still awake because they have what they call the Eid night. So they celebrate that here. So a night before the Eid, there's gonna be like...
Also, you ship the Dubai? This? Similar like this one?
It's the first time, I think.
Yeah, similar like this one. The Burj Khalifa, like this one.
Yeah, but it's in the Burj.
Yeah,
The Burj Khalifa. But here it's different. It's more... This is really the culture that's happening right now. Hoy, pantay ba yung makeup ko? Shucks, parang may din... Hoy, hindi, pantay yung makeup ko, ah. May makeup is pantay. It's just the light. Hoy, right now, it's almost 9. But you see, there's gonna be like a lot of kids today. Because we are celebrating the Eid. So all the kids are awake. See? Wait, I cannot find the proper lighting. So tanggalin na lang natin yung light. Let's keep it normal. Because I was thinking if I'm gonna be uploading this without the light, it's gonna be like how do you like grainy. I don't know how to say it, but it's gonna be like that. And I don't want it to look like that. So ayan na, may mga pagtitipon na gaganap. So later in the evening, around 11 daw, there's gonna be like more people here. So this is the guest house again. So there's gonna be like more people here. The kids will also be here later? Or only the adults? Also the kids?
Kids also. But
Okay.
some they are separate. They are doing a separate program, kids and all together.
Okay, sure. Ayun, so that's it. Huy! Nahanap ko na yung lighting. Nahanap ko na yung tamang lighting. Ito pala. Tignan mo, para akong sinasagala, sa totoo lang. Pero may nakasunod, oh. Oh.
Wait.
Diba, kala mo sinasagala ako. Hoy, alam mo, I was so stressed. What? I was so stressed earlier because of my kilay. I cannot fix it. And then when I checked it again, it's perfect. Gago. Hoy everybody, I didn't expect na there's paputok. Ayun, stress tuloy ako. Busy raw siya. Nag-i-explain siya. Shabe!
Punta sa siya ba?
Ako, ano?
Mana?
Ganda ko, oh. Hi. Ang taray nung... I'm also very busy. I forget about you. Ang taray nung dog, binawalk. Di mo kaya. Gusto mo yan? Sige, hatakan mo yung aso. Good or no? Ha? Kiss me. Kiss me na. Kiss me na. Kiss na. Here. It's okay. It's okay. No one's looking. Kiss me na. Kiss mo na ako. Kasi pa. Ito na. Tatagilin pa ba natin? Naglalandi sa kanto, shoota. Stress si Patan, no? Stress siya. Ang kulit ng anak. What?
Huh?
Camera lah.
Huh? Sulaiman Mercedes, you will get chance to me. Ito si Kashi pa. Ewan ko din mga trip nito eh. Nag-vlog. Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak. Bango naman ni tatay. Oh. Kashi pa, wag ka nga makulit. Buisit ka. Eto na, magsaside na kami. Alam mo na, stress na ako kay Patan. Uwi na lang ako. Hi!
How are you?
Good. Eid Mubarak. Eid
Mubarak.
Mubarak. Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Asan na si Patan? Huwag mo kayo kay Patan. Ayun.
Today.
What?
Yes. Or
Yeah, I saw it also today. I saw a lot. Kaya pasabog yung mga store today. There's a lot of things to buy. Where we go? At Balahada?
yeah.
Okay. Tara, may camera. Patan, dami exposure. So we're just gonna make some round. Sakarina.
Halali ka ma.
Go there. Coming up.
Ito ha?
I come after. I go.
Okay. So I'm gonna go to Abdulada. Oh, good.
Hey,
Ah.
how are you?
Huwag ka maingay. Buisit ka, di nga alam nilang ginawa kitang ano eh. Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak. Oh, wala yung si Abdulahada, yung tatay lang. Where's Abdulahada?
Abdulahad.
Yeah, where's Abdulahad? Sleep?
Cutting this.
Cutting hair? Where? Here?
Yeah.
Oh, huntingin natin si Abdulahad. Okay, shopping lang. Okay. Hanapin natin si Abdulahad. Nagpapagupit daw ng alas 9 ng gabi. Talaga ba, Abdulahad? Kakaloka ka. Hoy, nakita ko na ang hinahanap. Wait lang. Ayun! I'm looking for you. Ang galing ng tatay nito. Oh, tama ta. Baliw din to. Doon na tayo kay Kagawad. Hinanting lang natin si Abdulahad. Video me. Okay. Naghahanap ako ng videographer. Okay. They will close the way for me. Taray. Isinara yung daan para sa akin. Sure. I have a gift for you. Pera. Tell Kagawad I have a gift for him.
Okay.
Tell na.
Aligay, ita para yung mga gift na kaya.
As what?
Mara para.
Ah.
Assalamualaikum na naman. Assalamualaikum. Kagawad of Swabi. Assalamualaikum.
How are you?
Good, beautiful and perfect. Assalamualaikum. Siya nang i-istorbo. Bye-bye. I see what. Oh, naka-camera ka. Be a good one. Okay, good. Be a good boy. May camera.
Very nice.
Don't say anything. It's quiet. Ayun lang, nabubwisit lang ako. Kaya alam mo, I'm not gonna turn on my light. Feeling ko ang ganda ko kapag walang yung ilaw, naka-off. Parang ganda ng tama ng makeup ko. Uy. Hoy, so this is like Muktiar's best friend's house. So, see, we always sit here. See, there's a lot of kama. Hindi ko alam yung tawag. Basta pang yung pahingahan. Ayun yung tawag nila dito. So yun, makiupo lang ako dito. If you will notice, this is the first time that I really like put full makeup. Because it's Eid, I really want to make beautiful. Sabi ni Patan, don't make yourself too much beautiful. Don't look like a girl too much because this is a village. I refuse. I said no. Bahala ka dyan. If you don't want, I will not go out. You choose. Sabi, lumabas kami. Huwag ako. Lumalaban ako. Ito, tinan mo. Kompleto ang casting ng mga barkada ni Muktiara. Kagawad! Say hi! Hi! Ang pasimuno ng lahat na bad trip. Na bad trip sa anak niyang makulit. I'm telling them you're not in a mood because of Anasa.
He's staying now, my head.
Uy, gago. Ang ganda ko. Patano? Patano? Uy. Oh, alam mo, I'm not gonna turn on the light na lang. Kasi, look. Ganda-gandahan. Landiin ko sana si Abdulahad. Kaso, ang daming lalaki doon. Pagkalitan ako ni Patan, ma-MTRCB na naman ako niya. Huwag kang lalandi pag maraming tao. Ginagano niya ako. Ito, basta may camera to.
TikTok.
Hindi na siya nakatiis. Lumapit na siya. Talaga siya. Oh. TikTok na naman. Okay, go. Okay, tingnan mo. Abdulahada. Si Abdulahada. Nahanap ko
उदासी
rin
देत निघडी
Yeah, Abdulahada.
ना लास्ट दासे को मुद्दा में दत्ते
Hindi siya malati kanina kasi daming tao. Tapos bigla na lang nagpagupit pala siya.
ताता म
You like the light, Abdulahada? You like the light or you like me?
बस मग से पुई गो
I'm asking him, do you like the light or do you like me?
बस अभी डेम स्टार्ट
Si Patan ayaw mag-translate pag naglalandi ako. Nakakabuisit. Buisit. Hinahanap ko siya kanina. I was looking for him earlier. And then his father told me he was cutting his hair. He's in the barber shop. Eh, ang daming tao. Di ba, you saw it earlier. Very late lang yung pag-approach ko. Biglang maya-maya sumusunod na. Abdulahada. Ligawan mo ako.
दिशा कैमरा से पर है बड़ी मैंने टिकटॉक जोड़ के बताता व्हाट्सएप
दादा.
करोगी ना रही टिकटॉक ना रही टिकटॉक से नहीं वन टिकटॉक
Say, ligawan. Say, Lee. Lee.
तुम्हारा इंग्लिश रही तुम्हारा
Just say na, Lee. Lee.
प्रॉब्लम ना नो
Just say Lee.
वाई गो
Bayan.
वाई गो
Lee.
ली
Gawan.
गावन
Kita.
kita
Okay, sure. I agree.
गावा kita व्हाट इज योर नेम दे मत
Sana all ganyan yung jawline, no?
भाई चोरे दो
Oo.
माय ब्रदर
Okay. Ito, kakabuis. Hindi na ako natutuwa sa kanya minsan. Nainis na rin ako.
हाय हाउ आर यू
How are you? Daladan, ikaw mo na ako.
तो यार
Crush ako na yun.
रोड जिंदा दुकान की
Dalada.
ना उस
Hanggang hindi ako. Yung ano, alam mo yung content ko, hindi na about it. Ito na naman, about landi na naman. Bakit nyo ba ako sinusundan?
वीडियो मुकम्मल कर ले रहने दे पूरा
Sige. Ito yung jawline. Ito naman yung jawline ni Abdulahada pag dito.
राजदरी से भाई
Oh. Day.
राजदरी राजी
Hoy!
आगे बोल रहे दरगल यार हम तो यार
Buti na lang makinis yung mukha ko. Kasi kung hindi, wala na.
राजदरी तो मात्र रिंग क्लास ना नहीं उचित
Wala na, mukha na akong tanga. Kasi panguna nga.
राजदरी रिंग कैसा ना नहीं उचित है
Hindi naman ako masyadong pango. Kaso pag nandito ako, pango na ako.
यार मुझे बखल लगा
Video ko daw siya. Hindi siya magpapatalo. Talaga? Kung kahit nasan ako, andoon din siya.
अरे भी मंगन दर बेकार आता सुन दाप्रो
Kapatid pala yun ni Kashifa. This is Kashifa's brother. Wait. Hoy, I'm very, very sleepy right now. But Patan is telling me something. I didn't know this. He just mentioned it now. The ladies here, like, wakes up around 3:30 in the morning every day. Why?
3:20 is morning adhan. Wake up for pray.
Okay.
Even the man also here.
So why you say the lady? Ito naman, ginugulo mo pa ako. I thought because they will cook like this.
They cook morning chai.
Di ko kaya, girl. Ate Becky ako. Buti yung gitna lang ako, yung wala akong pwesto, yung hindi ko alam kung ano ba ako doon. Yung pwede kang mamili, yung may choice ka. I told you, being gay is an advantage. We were super antok na because we're gonna wake up tomorrow before 6. Cause why do we need to wake up at 6 again?
Because it's Eid. Pray is 6:30.
Oh,
So 6:30 after that you can meet each other.
at 6 in the morning?
Yeah. Then after
after they drink chai, everything, all after like 7:30 they will start cutting the qurbani
Okay.
animals.
They, where they will cut?
Here, every
It will cry or no? No. I don't like this. Hoy, ano ba yan? 6 daw kami gigising, kakaloko, hindi ko kaya. Shucks. Naisip ko palang masakit na yung ulo ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, let's go sleep now. Oh, okay, dahil I'm super antok na, alawin ang sarili. Patient X is in the house. Mag-invite daw siya mag-party. Hindi ko naman ako kung ibig sabihin kasi ng party nila. Where is Apsar? Ha? Where?
He's sick.
Wala.
Yeah, he's home.
I cannot believe you anymore. You always make drama eh.
No drama.
Oh, I'm super antok na. I really want to sleep. Yung energy ko hanggang 10 lang talaga. Sorry. Alam mo, like, when it's 10, I'm starting to fix myself. Like, clean my face. And then, ano pa bang ginagawa? What else do I do around 10? Yeah, I fix myself na. I start changing my clothes. Taking my last shower like this. And then that's it. At ang ganda ko, di ba? Alam mo, ng vlog na to, puri na lang papuri sa sarili ko to. Papuri sa akin. Hindi na kaya ng powers ko. Hintayin yung program ng club. I'm so sleepy. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Takbuhan sila. Malilate na sila. Takbo. Run. Everybody run. Run. So that stair is gonna lead you to the mosque. So everyone is running.